Look at this dude.
Dude is fucking. Dude, it's an actual certified Chad.
Later.
Yeah. I lose unconscious and I have a lighthouse. That's fun. So, pretty much just this run is going to be spent trying to get the lighthouse back. You wake up here 4 months later, you have this lighthouse, and you need to make 150 silver within 5 days to keep the lighthouse. That's basically what we're going to be doing today, is just zooming around and trying to keep the lighthouse. I'm very bad at this game. I have like 6 hours. I've made multiple characters to learn the game, and hopefully Chad, fucking fancy Chad X over here, is going to be the one to do it. Look at him. He is so fucking stylish.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I don't actually need these many torches. Just have a stockpile of torches in here. There are 3 torches. Anything else we can really sell? Anyways. Yeah, fuck you bitches.
Rise and shine. A blood. If you.
To threat, I say. You heard, Mother. Away with you. I'm sorry that was the first thing you woke up to.
Yeah, you better be
Please
fucking
forgive
sorry.
me.
No,
Once
eat my
you
cock.
must find
Time
that
to
does
zoom.
once you remember, you only have a few days.
I
May
can't
your
punch this
ancestors watch
bitch.
over you.
Can't even hit this bitch with a torch. You're not a Chad. You ain't fancy looking. Time to fucking zoom. Basically, it's gonna be to make 150 silver within 5 days. This either has the chance to be really easy or really hard, and I have about like 5 hours in this game, 5-6 hours. So
What can I do for right?
I know what I'm kind of doing. I know how to run through the intro and get prepared. That's about it. I haven't really explored beyond a certain part.
Something you need?
I stole the lantern. Wait, where did I get 16 silver from? What the fuck?
You stupid.
Yeah, I'll buy a water skin. So the first thing we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to find a hyena, kill the hyena, find another hyena, kill another hyena, and then
Need something? Well, you got
Make-
this. There. All right.
a good halberd. Wait, I could have kicked her. What happens if I just kick this guy though? Oh, I'm a fucking Chad. My leg can go up really fucking high. It sucks. I wish you could kill the NPCs here. Like, you know, just that. Anyways, I'm gonna leave. Hey, wait. It was just raining in here, right? Why the fuck is it sunny out here? Actually, I gotta know. If I go back in here, is it gonna rain? Like, there's no way it just stops raining for a second. Where's the rain?
Not up in here.
I am beyond disappointed. Not only at the fact that there's no rain, but the fact that there is no rain. Oh no, that fucking bird. That bird's gonna fuck the hyena up. Right? Ah. What's in this trunk? A looter's mask. And some hide. Not bad. Oh, there's the bird? Are you the bird he was fighting?
No.
I'm joking. Stop!
Come here, sir. I would like to fuck your day up. Oh. Something over here. Oh shit.
Ooh, piece of candy.
Nest. You know what? I'll take a pearl nest. What's in here? Bird eggs. That's not bad. You know, I don't know how I'm running up this fucking cliff. But even the weirder thing, I don't know how this bird is defying gravity. Bird, why are we defying gravity? Just stop running. Stop running. You know, what the fuck? Get back here. Fuck yes! Finally. It only took me, too many fucking minutes. If you're gonna leave, I'll fight you.
I like to
You did not leave. Okay, if I can just outlive where we go. Fuck yeah, dude. Get fucked, losers. Now, I should be able to make the... I don't have a linen. I need one linen cloth to make the fucking halberd. Fucking hell, man. I'm gonna explore this cave. Fuck this guy. Oh no. Give me your coochie, Mr. Hyena. I'm not giving you my coochie.
Man, I'm dead.
Fuck you. And now I need a bandage. And I can't see in here. Fuck. Which instantly heals some wounds. You know what? I'll take some healing potions. So, I forgot to mention that just loot is random. It's randomly generated. You can either get bandages from somebody like that person I just looted in the cave. You can either get bandages from them, or you could get the healing potions like I just got. Everything is purely random from what I understand, but there's a tier of loot that you can get and not get. Like, I can't get the best weapon from just some hyenas in a cave. So, I need a bandage, because it turns out my butthole is bleeding from that wolf just biting me. And I should have enough silver to get a decent backpack. I wish my stamina would come back faster. Oh, would be
Is there
nice.
something you need?
Yeah, I need one of these. Yeah, you can have all the hide. I don't want the hide. I want the backpack. Now... Oh wait. If I remember correctly, take that off and put this here, this here, this here, this here. Ta-da! Fuck yeah, dude. And just like that, I now have a fanged halberd. Now, it's time to play the complicated game of swapping bags. God damn it. There we go.
Is there
And then we
something
go to this
you need?
guy. We buy a bandage. We sell a bag. We sell the lanterns, because running in the dark is fun.
Hello, I like money.
And boom! We have 40. 40 silver out of 150. Also, I should mention, you have 5 days to pay this, and they don't take the house away until the 5 days are up. So you can enter in your lighthouse, and there's a bed up here from where you spawn, and you can just sleep here and never get ambushed. And dodging into your bed when you wake up is also a good idea.